Good morning to one and all present here. My topic is Introduction to Ordinary Differential Equation. Myself, A. Rajalakshmi, Assistant Professor in Mathematics from Knowledge Institute of Technology, Salem. What does mean by ordinary differential equation means? Here we have applying where do the ODEs arise, the notation and definition, solutions method for first order ODE. We discussing three topics is here. Where do ODEs arise? All branches of engineering, economics, biology and medicine, chemistry and physics applicable to all any type we wish to find the out of how something changes with the time. Some example is here. The first one is Newton's law for cooling. This is a model of how the temperature of an object changes as it loses heat of a surrounding atmosphere. Here applying one is the object, another one is the room temperature. We have applying the Newton's law of cooling. Here also using the ODE where T is the initial temperature of the object. Swimming of pendulum, Newton's second law of a rotating object, moments of inertia x, angular acceleration, which is equal to net external to torque q. ml square into d square theta divided by dt square is equal to minus mgl sin theta. Here this ordinary differential equation which is equal to 0. This equation is very difficult to solve. Notation and definition, here applying the four types. One is the order, another one is the linearity, third one is the homogeneity, then final is the initial and boundary value problem. We discussing these four topics. Order, the order of the differential equation is just the order of highest derivative is used. D square y by dt square plus dy by dt, which is equal to 0. This equation order is 2. Then the second equation order is 3. Linearity. The important issue is how the unknown y appears in the equation. A linear equation involves the dependent variable y and its the derivative by themselves. There must be no unusual non-linear functions of y or its derivative. Linear equation must have a constant coefficient or coefficient which depends on the independent variable t. If y or its derivative appear in the coefficient of the equation is non-linear. Here the linear equation dy by dt plus y is equal to 0 is a linear equation. Dx divided by dt plus x square is equal to 0 is a non-linear equation. Here the linear equation, some notation is here. The first column is a linear equation, then the second column is a non-linear equations. Some linearity function is here. D square y by dt square plus y is equal to 0. As a solution, y is equal to sin t and y is equal to cos t. We have substituting in the equation y is equal to sin t, the value which is equal to 0, that is called the linear equation. Life is mostly linear. Most ODE that arise in engineering are linear with constant coefficient. In many cases, they are approximate versions of a more complex non-linear model, but they are sufficiently occurred for the most purpose. Often they work okay for a small amplitude disturbance, but for a large amplitude behavior non-linearity started to have some effects. Non-linear is also in sometimes non-linearity are important, and there have been some important failures because non-linearity were not understood. Approximately linear properties here. This problem is a swimming pendulum example. The accelerated non-linear equation for a swimming pendulum is d square theta divided by dt square plus omega square sin theta is equal to 0. But for a small angles of swimming, this can be approximated by the linear ODE. D square theta divided by dt square plus omega square theta is equal to 0. Homogeneistic, here homogeneistic using two types. One is a homogeneous equation, another one is a non-homogeneous equation. What is meant by homogeneous equation? If there is nothing left on the RHS, the equation is homogeneous. Non-homogeneous equation, if there are a term involve t but not y left on the RHS, the equation is non-homogeneous equation. Initial and final, initial value and the boundary value problem that involves the time are represented by the ODE together with the initial value. Problems that involves the space are also covered by an ODE, but what is happening at the end of the region of interest has to specified by the boundary conditions. dv divided by dt is equal to g, v of 0 is equal to v naught, that is called the initial value problem. D square m divided by dx square is equal to w, m of 0 is equal to 0 and m of l is equal to 0. This equation is a boundary value problems. D square theta divided by dt square plus omega square sin theta is equal to 0, which is a second order non-linear homogeneous initial value problems. D square theta divided by dt square plus omega square theta is equal to 0. This equation is called the second order linear homogeneous initial value problems. Solving some guidance. Here the equation d power ny divided by dt power n is equal to f of t. This equation is a first order, higher order RHS, does not depends on the unknown y, which is a direct equation. dy by dt is equal to f of t comma y, which is equal to g of t into h of y, which is also first order differential equation. This equation is a separate solving method. dy by dt plus g of t into y is equal to f of t. This is also the first order non-homogeneous linear equation. This equation is called the integrating factor method. These types of problems are solving introduction of ODE.